Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of The Greatest Showman. That's right, this movie was released in 2017 from 20th Century Fox, starring Hugh Jackman, Michelle Williams, Rebecca Ferguson, and Zendaya. I got this from Barnes & Noble. Here's the front. There's a spine from 20th Century Fox. Now it's 20th Century Studios. There's the back. Experience the award-winning music. The description. Special features. The family behind The Greatest Showman. The spectacle. Music machine with sing-along and more. DVD specifications. Rated PG for thematic elements including a brawl. The DVD came out in 2018. So it looks like it's already open. So let's unbox it. I used to watch this movie, and I also used to sing along to the songs. There's the cover. Huh, no digital code, huh? Well, anyways. There's a disc. It says copyright 2018 Fox, all rights reserved. FoxMovies.com. Now Sony Pictures Home Entertainment owns Disney, 20th Century Studios, Pixar, Marvel, and Lucasfilm movies. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!